In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the 7Krave app on Android. First, let's open the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping on it will bring you to a vast library of apps. This is where you'll find not only the 7Krave app, but countless other applications too. The Play Store is your gateway to managing apps on your device. Once the store is open, you will see various categories and popular apps displayed on your screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and search for 7Krave Food and Marketplace. The search bar is a white rectangular box where you can type in what you're looking for. This is an important step because it directs you straight to the app you need. As you start typing, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This helps you find the app quickly. After entering 7Krave Food and Marketplace, press the search icon or the Enter key on your keyboard. This will initiate the search. Now you should see a list of results. Select 7Krave Food and Marketplace, which is published by Innovative Menu Solutions Ltd. T/A7Krave. This is crucial because selecting the correct app ensures you are downloading the official version. You want to avoid any impersonators or unofficial versions that can cause issues later on. When you find the app, take a moment to check the ratings and reviews. This gives you confidence that you are making the right choice. Next, tap the Install button. This is the green button that appears on the app page. By tapping Install, you are agreeing to download the app to your device. This step is essential because it sets the process in motion. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the download is complete. It's reassuring to know that the download process is straightforward, and it usually doesn't take long, depending on your internet connection. Once the app has downloaded, wait for it to install. This might take a little time, but you can see the progress on your screen. Installing the app is an important step because it prepares the app to run smoothly on your device. You will receive a notification once the installation is complete, which is a great sign that you are almost ready to start using 7Krave. After the installation is finished, tap the Open button. This will launch the 7Krave app for the first time. You will see the app's splash screen, and it may take a moment to load fully. This is a good time to take a deep breath and get excited about the features you'll explore. Opening the app is your gateway to a world of food delivery and shopping options at your fingertips. Now, sign in with your existing 7Krave account or tap Sign Up to create a new account. If you already have an account, entering your credentials is fast and easy. This step is essential because it connects you to your previous orders and preferences. If you are new to 7Krave, signing up will only take a few moments. You will need to provide some basic information to set up your account, which is an important foundation for your future orders. Finally, start ordering food, groceries, or retail items available in your area. This is the fun part. You will be able to browse a variety of options tailored to your local market. Enjoy the convenience of having everything you need right at your fingertips. With 7Krave, you can make your shopping experience easy and enjoyable.